Okay, here I will discuss few sum of refractive index, right? Right. So it is given here the refractive index of water, that means A mu W equal to 1.33, right? Therefore we have to find out the refractive index of air. We have to find out this, right? So we know that W mu A can be written as 1 by A mu W, that means refractive index of water, and here it is the refractive index of air when light is traveling from water to air. For example, the case is this: if this is air and this is water, so for this we write A mu W, okay? And when the light travels from water to air, this is air and this is water. In this case what we write? We will write W mu A, right? Therefore it is equal to 1 by 1.33. if we will solve, it will come 0.75, right? Therefore Ri of air equal to 0.75, and this is your answer. The second sum is here I am writing. Okay, so there are the three medium. First one is kerosene, turpentine and water, right? So it is like this. These are the three cases. This is kerosene, I am writing K here. This is turpentine, I am writing T for turpentine, and this one is water. This is air. As usual, it is a reference medium. Light is traveling from like this. The velocity of light in kerosene is Vk, in turpentine is Vt, and that of in water is Vw. Okay, so we can write the refractive index in case of kerosene A mu K, in this case A mu T and A mu W, right? All this is given is 1.44, 1.47 and 1.33, right? So we know that refractive index of light equal to speed of light in air, right, divided by speed of light in the medium. Okay, so here we can write speed of light medium equal to, okay, that means we can write Vk equal to Va by 1.44 and Vt equal to Va by 1.47. Similarly, Vw equal to Va by 1.33, right? From this relation we can identify that the result of Vw will be highest. Why? Because the velocity of light in medium is inversely proportional to refractive index. The speed of the light in water will be highest as the refractive index of the water is lowest. Okay, so you can write the light will travel fastest in water. You just write these things, and finally you have to write in the statement. There is no mathematical calculation. Don't try to find the speed of the light in water, in kerosene or turpentine. Okay.